would like to introduce to you the man of the hour. Please welcome His Excellency, Honorable Mayor Marcos Mamay.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning.
Mayor, sana sa araw na ito, you will enjoy your day. May God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mayor Marcos Mamay, from your media friends and director. Love you!
Star-studded ang gabing ito because of you. This is very unusual. Hindi po ito nangyayari every day. And you have a lot of star-studded friends plus the media people.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you good health, happiness, and syempre long life. And more wealth. Sana hindi lang ito ang birthday na pagsasama-samahan niya. Good luck, Mayor. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mayor Mamay. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay more birthday to come. Ang wish ko lang sa ating movies na kikita pa. At more produce yung movie mo. Thank you.
Mayor Marcos Mamay, stay kind, stay humble as you are. At habang kasama ka namin, ginagawa naming pelikula, naramdaman ko po na ikaw ay talagang totoong tao at kayo po ay isang may mabuting puso. At hindi ko naramdaman na mayor kayo, in fairness. Happy birthday, Mayor Mamay!
Happy birthday, Mayor Marcos Mamay. More blessing.
Carry on.
on that day, it would be a shame. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading, listen carefully. Let's stop this charade, stop this charade. Stop this charade. I wanna make things right, run away on this night, do whatever we like. We will see things clearly, on top of the world is what we deserve. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading, listen carefully. Let's stop this charade, stop this charade. Stop this charade. Stop this charade. I would give you the world if it was up to me. It's not too late to be heard, so tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. And stop this charade.